How to delete Gcash account permanently. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is, of course, access your Gcash application and log in using your 4-digit passcode or PIN. And once you have successfully logged in, you'll have to be reminded that once you have deleted your account, it's going to be permanently, and you will be having problems in it if you will logged in or if you will recover your account back. Now to delete it, just simply go to Profile, located at the lower right portion of your screen, and then in here, just choose on your current name, which gonna be indicated as an arrow pointing to your right, and then scroll all the way down. You won't be able to see anything from here because it's gonna be a personal reference right there. You just tap on your current a name with your phone number or your account number, scroll all the way down and just choose on delete account. And that's how you delete your Gcash account permanently.